is Tuesday, the 11th of November, 2025. We're at the Place du Canada, and I came for the Remembrance Day ceremonies. I noticed that the area was fenced off more than usual, and I think it has to do with these fallen branches. So I guess some branches fell off trees in our little snowstorm, and so they decided to keep the public away from this area. I guess perhaps if they thought maybe more branches might fall, so it might injure some people. So anyway, that might explain why it's more fenced off than ever before. But on the other hand, it's really getting to a point where it's ridiculous, where the public are pushed further and further away from the Remembrance Day ceremonies every year. This is the worst I've seen it in terms of being pushed away, and there is an excuse for it in terms of these fallen branches. But nevertheless, it's a concern of mine that the public are pushed further and away from these ceremonies every year. Used to be able to be quite close, even mingled.